Hey guys, and welcome to MPS Tips video. In today's video I want to show you how you can quickly change the settings of your algorithm using a graphic user interface of MPS pattern recognition software. First, you need to pay attention to this label. So this label tells you what is the active algorithm and what are the settings of this algorithm. Prax is active right now, and the current setting is period 8. So if we switch this to stochastic algorithm, you will see that this label changes as well, and now we have period, oversold, overbought conditions. So the same with RSI, commodity channel index, Williams percent range. The close also has period in brackets. Fractals have nothing because fractals are fractals. ATR has a period of ATR and reversal factor, how many ATRs you need to start a reversal. Pipsage tells you how many pips you need for a reversal to start, and percentage shows you how many percentage you set for reversal to start. Every time you change your algorithm, the settings from indicator properties are applied. I mean those settings that are set in these properties. So if you set Williams percent range 14, 20, 80, then when you click this button, Williams percent range 14, 20, 80 is applied. But if you need to quickly modify the settings of the of this algorithm without going into indicator properties, you can double click on this label and change the numbers in brackets. So if we change it to 5, we'll have a smaller algorithm like this. Smaller swings are detected. And if we switch this to, let's say, 10, then we will have a greater algorithms, larger swings detected. Okay, you can do this to fit the algorithm to price action, to current market conditions. So obviously period 10 is very noisy. You see these minus swings here and here. They are not needed. You can ignore them. So let's increase our period, let's say, to 14. Okay, and apply 14. 14 period looks better. I would rather say that we should have 16. So 16 period is okay. Well, after you found your best period, of course you can go to indicator properties and you can set that period as default one. So let's go to price extreme algorithm as default one. So next time when you click this algorithm, when you change this button, you see your default setting is applied, 16 period. You see this? So this way you can change everything. You think this RSI is showing only large swings? No problem. You just set this period to 3 and see what happens. So you have smaller patterns. If you are pleased with these smaller patterns, then you can, of course, set them as default settings of RSI indicator. Let's do some other modifications. Let's have these percent. So if you suppose that 1/3 of percent is a bit noisy, then you can use half of percent, 0.5, or you can use full percent, simply 1. To have larger or smaller swings. After you find the best parameters of algorithms, after you set each and every algorithm according to your taste, of course you can then save these settings into indicator properties, and they will be set as default. Very handy function, I suppose. Hope you like this. If so, give me a thumbs up, share this video on social media, and until then, good luck and good trading. Hope to see you soon.